How to start your first OpenAI Academy AI project. Step 1, go to academy.openai.com and sign in with your OpenAI account. If you don't have one, create it. It's free. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Step 2, click on courses or tracks. You'll see curated learning paths like Build with GPT-4, Intro to AI apps, using APIs with no code. Pick one that matches your interest or experience level. Step 3, OpenAI Academy gives you interactive guided projects. You'll get a short explanation of what you're building, a pre-made coding environment, and built-in prompts and checkpoints. Step 4, on the left, your instructions and objectives. In the middle, your code or prompt area. On the right, your live preview or results. You'll follow the steps line by line, like calling the GPT-4 API, generating outputs, or chaining tools together using built-in helpers. Step 5. Test your AI to see how your prompt or app behaves. You can tweak inputs, adjust system messages, or integrate external data using built-in examples. Step 6 would be save and share. You can keep it private, share it with your friends, or submit it as part of an assignment inside a course. Bonus tip, each module includes quizzes, checkpoints, and optional extensions so you can build beyond the template, whether it's a chatbot, a content generator, or a custom workflow.